morning, cooking kids. It's that time of the week again, time for cooking. So let's get our brains ready and let's make sure we're doing some good listening to know what to do for our recipe. So, looking eyes this way, closed lips once you help your ears do the listening. Thinking brains, okay. And listening ears, calm hands, calm bodies. Those are the things we need to do to be a really good listener and a really good learner. We are going to need today a pan, a bowl, and an oven-proof dish, something around a little, you probably need something a bit bigger than this one, okay? And one that can go into the oven. And you might need a stir for stirring something, a spoon, sorry, for stirring some things in as well. I read this story this week and it gave me an idea for today's recipe. Each peach, pear, plum. You might have heard me read it yesterday. And one of the things at the end that I love the most is when they get to have a picnic. Look, it says, baby bunting safe and dry, I spy plum pie. Here's plum pie in the sun. I spy everyone. They get to have a lovely picnic with their plum pie. So today we are going to make plum and apple crumble. So these are the things we will need. We will need some apples, we will need some plums, you will need some sugar to go into the fruit, and then for the crumble on the top you will need some flour, some butter, some more sugar, and some cinnamon. Right, let's see what we need to do. First, you need to put the plum and the apple into the pan and just a little bit of the sugar. Next, cook the fruit until it's soft. So first there'll be some big chunks, then it will become nice and soft. Okay, when you've done that, next you need to rub the flour and the butter together. The rubbing is when you can show me you're a really good baker and just use your fingertips and keep this bit clean. So rubbing with your fingertips until it looks like breadcrumbs. It's all stuck together. Next, stir in some more sugar and this nice smelly cinnamon. You're going to next put the apples and the plums into the oven-proof dish, and then on the top you're going to sprinkle the crumble. Finally, put it in the oven and bake it until the top is golden brown, probably about 25 or 30 minutes. And right at the end, you can eat it with some lovely ice cream or some custard. It's delicious. You're going to love it. It's going to be a lovely, lovely plum pie. When you're making this plum pie, I want you to think about the ingredients and whether they are soft whether they are hard, whether they're crumbly, or whether they're a little bit spiky. Maybe the sugar is a bit rough. Have a think about the words you can use to describe your ingredients. And really enjoy eating your plum pie. Have fun! Bye, cooking kids!